Welcome back, everybody. I am out here to meet Daniel Sensentaffer with DST Overhead Garage Door Service. He is going to measure and give me a bid on a new overhead door to replace this guy that's down, that failed, as we discussed in a previous video, so we can get a new door here instead of this temporary plywood door. But I'm also here to check out an update that my builder mentioned. He said he had a surprise for me on the back patio. So let's go see what that's all about. Oh, look at that. Looks like they've got the new firebox built. Looks like they've got the new firebox built. Well, that's fantastic. Looks really nice. It's gonna be great to build some fires and set some furniture around, maybe hang a TV above. Not bad. Let's go inside and see what else is going on. Oh, I got the walls sealed up. Nice. Now it's starting to look like a bedroom in here. All right. They're busy working in the shower pan, looks like. Yeah, we had some time this morning without power. Nice. Good. Get it all waterproof and ready. Terrific. Let's see what else is going on. Good, they got the ceilings are all scraped. You come back in here yet? Oh, looks like they've got ceiling in here scraped now. Wonderful. Oh, excellent. Oh, nice. Got everything scraped. You got that old system out. Got some more headroom now. It's terrific. Got the mirrors taped off. So I guess they're not going to pull the mirrors to paint. It's all right. So they've got everything kind of ready in here. Terrific. Kind of same story. Good, got all this scraped, I guess. I wonder if that's necessary. That's why I still hear if they're still working on that. Maybe they're still working on that. Okay, good, got all that 80 scraped off of this ceiling. Terrific. Looks like they're pretty much just prepping for paint and stuff. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So I guess we're gonna keep this shower. Oh no. We've about used up our budget for a lot of the things, so that front bathroom, really all the extra bathrooms are not going to get that much attention this round. We just ran into a lot of things we weren't expecting to run into, and we did a couple of things we weren't planning on doing, but ultimately the things that are not going to get done with this first row can easily be redone later on down the line, a bathroom at a time. It's mainly just going to be new vanities, sinks, maybe mirrors, paint, maybe a new tub surround, tile surround, who knows. But that stuff ultimately in those secondary bedrooms can wait. We wanted to focus primarily on the master suite, on the kitchen, and on the living room. So we're definitely going to do that. And anything we don't get to this first go, we'll have to wait till next time. So it is what it is. This one might be spring. So we've still got some scraping to do in here. I mean, this generally is still getting worked on in this room. Good look at the electrical. What a mess that is. Goodness. It's gonna be a nice little pantry though. It's gonna be a nice little pantry. I wonder if he's still planning on giving me a sink. I wonder if he's still planning on giving me a sink. I guess I'll have to ask. Alright. Going back up and cleaning up the area. Very nice. Well, that's gonna about do it for this short little video. Just a quick little update. Check on progress. I'm gonna go out and see if Daniel is here to talk about the garage door and to measure that off and discuss our options on that. But you know, I gotta say I'm pretty happy to see this nice little firebox, you know? It turned out really nice. I mean, obviously, I hope we can we'll get some paint, some other color along with the rest of the brick. But, you know, one step at a time. One step at a time, we'll get there. I've also, while I'm here, I've got to take some pictures for the application for the solar through our electric co-op. I've got to submit some things. I've got to get some pictures and put some designs together so they'll know kind of what my plan is. I didn't realize this is here. Probably should have had this guy covered up. It's all right. So we'll see how it goes. If Daniel doesn't mind being on video, I will record some of that conversation. Otherwise, I'll fill you in on the details once we're finished and let you know how it goes. Stay tuned. Thanks for being patient. Sorry to leave you guys hanging. I had a meeting with the overhead garage door guy, and we talked for a little while, probably longer than I planned. Had to rush back home, get the kids, so and then got busy with this, that, and the other, and couldn't get my video out at the end of last month. So I came out. Plus, you know, there have been changes in the last week or so. So I figured I'd go ahead and come back out, do another walkthrough, discuss some other changes we've made, some new direction that we're going to take, and see what you guys think. All right, hang on. I'm going to start here in the back of the house. One of the biggest things you'll notice right off is that paint's going on the wall. We've had a couple coats on in those places and had some issues with some of the drywall that we wanted to touch up and fix. So coming back through, doing all that. But for the most part, the entirety of the house, including the hallway, has been getting paint. Looking good. So we got master, some paint. Next, I'm gonna put in the center of this wall. Yeah, it's some texture run or paint run, so they're touching that up. Keep that there. So it's looking good. I like the back walls. It's gonna look really good with the white trim. I'm gonna try to stay out of everyone's way as much as I can. So I know they're making progress, so bear with me. I've got some lighting in. Alright. Can lights in here. See, we've got switches, plugs going on. Alright. And here we've got some big updates. Look at that. The beams are up. Scaffolding's all gone, so you can actually see kind of what's going on. Got the loft area, which I think looks fantastic. We're gonna have black handrail and some type of black steps and a black post here to replace this support. Kind of in this area, we'll have our stairs. Not quite sure how it's gonna look yet, so stay tuned for that. Okay, and about the only other thing really worth noting is yesterday evening, Chris Bishop, my contractor, was out on this side of the house balcony balcony side of the house. And he said, in this area over here, he saw what he thought was at first a bobcat. Which, okay. I mean, I've seen bobcats in this area. That's not too surprising. And then he came back and said, you know what? The more I think about it, that cat had a long tail and had brighter colors than most bobcats, and I think it was an ocelot. So I'll put up some pictures of the differences of those two animals. The neat thing about if it were an ocelot, I believe those have been endangered for a number of years, since the 80s or so, and there are very few left in the wild in Texas. So if there happens to be one in this area, that's kind of cool. I may have to call the proper authorities to have come out and trap the creature and relocate it somewhere more safe, but either way, still pretty neat. So stay tuned for that. As you can see, they've mostly got the paint finished out here. We've got a floor. Got a floor for the balcony. Just working on finishing things up. I've been told a shorter timeline than I first thought to be finished. We'll see how it goes. Certainly not gonna hold that to anybody, but you know, maybe by the end of the month, maybe middle of next month, be finished and start moving in. And it's really exciting. Of course, a lot still has to happen. We've got to finish with the exterior of the house, paint whatever we're gonna decide. We've got to order appliances. We've got to do flooring. I think we've picked out the wallpaper we want to use for the master in the trays and the ceilings of the bedroom and the closet and the wall of the master shower. But we've also picked out tile for the master shower, and that should be coming in real soon. So stay tuned, and I'll keep you guys updated as we have them. See ya.